Okay, good morning YouTube. So I am at Snug Harbor Marina in Rhode Island, about to get on the Stella Sea Wise Kraken Charters, which y'all know Fishing Grubs is a mate on that boat. So hopefully he'll be mating today. Not quite sure, but I'm just hoping to catch some good fluke. I went out on a trip on Monday this week. This is my birthday week fishing, how y'all know I normally do. And fluke fishing in New Jersey is really slow. The water's really cold. So I'm hoping up here the water's warmer, the bite's on, and I can get on still hunting for my DD. So close, but nearly 8-pounders last year and this year in Cape Cod. But we'll see what we can do, see if I can get on the fish, and I'll tune back in when I'm on the water. Peace.
I'll take that. We'll go that away. Go one away. See Robin, stern, look at it. Got a spoon. I'd probably use a spoon.
And of course, I didn't get the spoon. And of course I didn't bring a spoon.
If you want to try one, let me know. I have two, I think.
Okay. Give us a dangle for a little longer. Let's see. Did it.
Okay, we got two data points. Is that the right kind?
It's definitely the right kind. Shaking his head. See what we got there. I don't think it's nettable though. Are you still? Immediate. Yep, slightly.
Sorry, I'm smashing.
He's like 15, but that's right. He got to measure it anyway. Thank you. Cool. My first fluke on a spoon. Oh, no. I got one. Nice. Nice fish. Yep.
There you go.
Good keeper.
Sometimes they wake up. I just hooked the fucking.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Hey, you avoided a hook in the hand.
And then point the rod tip in the air.
Ah.
That's like it.
Better way to do it.
Move right there.
I like it. I like it. Should I go 14 or what do you think? Or leave it at 12?
What do you need?
I said, should I go 14 or leave it at 12?
Oh, 12's probably fine because you're going out.
Okay.
So just scope out.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, yes. Rabbit.
Oh, I always put these on first, at least the first time.
Okay.
See? And then sometimes I'm like, if I'm really into it, I'll take this off every time and put them on. But most of the time I'm lazy.
So So 2 of them. All right, I was doing 1.
1 or 2. Doesn't matter. 1 falls off every time.
Okay, then that's why. Yep. A little extra security. Thank you. Oh, did I get snagged too?
Something down there.
Yeah, yep. Should have known. Bottom. He got it. Oh, dang cat. Ah.
Hold up. Closer. Oh, my son.
This feels like a good fish. Let's see. Yeah, I have a fish.
Lefty's the only way to go. If you watch
Absolutely.
the cap, he's fishing left-handed.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
If I was using my rod, it would also be left.
I have tons of rods over there, so if you were fishing,
I can
grab
do
one.
both, but just lefty's better.
I only fish left.
Because you're right-handed, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I want to fight the fish with my strong hand.
Somebody's,
How big is it? Is it worthy of a net? Slag.
maybe a little shorter than me.
I was like, I think this is a solid 16 and a half, maybe.
No, that's got the length.
He's skinny.
That's thinner.
Made it? Aw, shucks. Yes.
Yeah, by the hair of his chin, literally.
First Rhode Island fluke. Yes. Thank you for the clutch backup spoon. What was your name again? John and Kristen. Nice to meet you. Oh, that's a good sea bass.
You need to wait? Huh? What? What do you want? An 8?
Okay, that's there. Ooh, sorry about that weight. Ooh, you take the biscuit. Thank you. Don't come off. Don't come off. Yeah, I did. It came off.
Don't see that crap.
Yeah. just hit bottom and then boop. Let's see.
Yeah, sometimes you grab them right out.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely a sea bass. Yep. Oh, it is a fluke.
Might be a keeper.
That.
Oh, nice. It's not me. Yeah, that's cute.
There we go. With the bag.
For you, that's for you.
Thanks. Just an early birthday present. I'll take it.
Oh, birthday perfect. That balloon at one time might have said happy birthday on it. You just don't know.
Cool. Thank you. I'll give that back now.
Sure?
Thanks. Yes, I'm sure. It's the thought that counts. Thank you for the.
Put a lot of effort into it.
Thank you for the gesture.
You have a bucket?
Yep, bucket right here. How long is that one?
Oh,
471. Yeah, I know. Almost 19.
Okay, cool. I was like, yep, you just gave me centimeters. Alright, and number 2. Trying. There we go. Keep him pinned. Keep him pinned. Hey, Ned. Isn't it? Cool. Thank you. That's better. Thanks. $20.5. All right. What's the limit here? 4. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, well, since you got snagged, let me come up off the bottom. Can't lose it. No, I came up off. Really? Bro, are you kidding me? No. Alright. Back to the jig. Throwing a 60 gram. Trying to get my keeper sea bass. Keep catching 14 inches, man. See what happens.
thank you.
That's a small fish. Shake off. That's cool. What a mackerel. Watch, there's a lot of hooks on here. I'll definitely keep him.
You want to keep them bees?
Huh?
You want to keep them
No,
bees?
no, let's strip them up. Can you use them for strips for the food?
Yes, yes.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm going to need a little too.
That one's short, right? Yep. That one's close.
Nice.
We'll get that high low for you.
I've been trying to rig through. I'm trying to rig for Wise Kraken
That feels good. Oh, I'm having fun. This better be a keeper sea bass. If this is a keeper sea bass, I'm gonna be irked.
You throw the shoal with 4 hooks in it, I'm throwing that big so far, you can never see it again. That one should do.
Thank you. It's okay. It's left up.
That's good.
Yeah, buddy.
Hang on, I gotta get all 4 hooks out.
Thank you. Alright.
Welcome.
I'm gonna grab a picture of that bad boy.
There, go for it.
Thank you.
Let me dry my hands off.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
I took 3. One of them.
Awesome.
Someone
I
took
don't-
40?
I don't know which one.
Ron got Fluke? Yeah, he did. Looks scary, sir. Get any more of that? No, that's just him. Oh, that's weird. 'Cause I'm gonna have it.
Jake's working out.
Another keeper, I think. Maybe. We need some jersey keepers. So I'm trying to estimate this 15 is a. He might be 14 again.
You mean 16?
Oh, 16? Dang.
It's gotta be 16.
All right, so I feel like that one's 15. Will be my guess. What do you
Got a
think?
long middle to it, but I'm
Thank you.
Nope. If anyone asks me if we have more bait on a freaking boat where we
Well,
give me the fucking bait and shut up.
I'm just saying we've had some bad experiences where boats have run out of bait.
No, you haven't.
I'm dead serious. You think I'm joking?
Supersize?
That's fucked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call him and tell you to shut up when I
That much fucking
2 keepers, sea bass.
Stick 'em.
There we go. Alright, he's little. He's little. Oh, yo! Hey, yo! I got a fluke on his low fish. What? I have to take a picture. I'm sorry.
Yeah, go for it.
Can you hold it for a second? Too funny. Thank you. Alright, we know he's short. Might need a net, John. Oh, or Todd.
You need a net?
I might. I'm under the boat, so hard to tell. Pull out the fire tiger. It's close. Close, but I feel like it's
When I first looked at it,
yeah. What, 17? Wait, what is the keeper shot here? 18. Okay, yeah. I feel like it's 17. Yeah.
a nut hair over 17.
Yeah.
A little squeak. What?
Okay, YouTube. So I am in the parking lot of the hotel, about to check in and go get me a nap because I've been up for something like 36 hours. Long day. It was good. I got 3 out of 4 keepers, all on the spoons. This is my first time using a Fluke spoon successfully with a crazy drift. So that was freaking awesome. Once I lost the 2 spoons though, then I struggled to get a keeper. I dropped a lot of fish, but I did get 2 nice sea bass on a slow pitch jig, and even caught a fluke on a slow pitch jig, believe it or not. So that and a mackerel. So I'm having fun jigging when the fluking gets boring. So I'm gonna keep trying to incorporate that in my fishing during the summer and see how it goes. So anyway, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, and shout out to Todd Grubbs, aka Fishing Grubs. Cool dude, definitely cool dude, awesome mate. He knows his stuff. So I had a great time with the Wise Kraken Charters. So anyway, I will catch y'all later. Peace.